Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to delete system queued Windows error reporting files on your computer. So basically, there are various reports that are stored in your system when you have issues or errors on your computer, and these can add up to some space in your hard drive. Then I'll show you how to delete those reporting files. So all you have to do is to open up the settings on your computer. So dito lang sa start menu, so right click ka lang, and then select mo lang dito yung settings. And then dito sa settings, and then next ay click mo lang dito sa system, and then dito lang sa right side, ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung storage. So click lang dito. And then dito sa storage, and the next step ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung show more categories dito. So i-click mo lang itong show more categories. And then dito sa kanyang storage usage, in the next step ay kailangan lang select dito yung temporary files. So click lang siya. Okay, so some temporary files are needed by apps. So below is the list of files you can remove now. So bago tayo mag-remove ng files, so dito sa baba may mga actions dito kung anong gusto mo i-remove. So check mo lang itong box, ganito siya, or uncheck mo lang siya. Right? So ganito, select ka lang dito kung ano yung gusto mo i-remove. Okay? And then kapag nakapag-select ka na dito, and then next ay click mo lang to remove files. And then remove files, the selected files there dito will be permanently deleted. Okay, so click mo lang to continue. And then that's it. Ganun lang po kasimple. So finish temporary files cleanup. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple kung paano tayo mag-delete ng system queued Windows error reporting files. Okay, so please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.